Starting a business can be exciting yet daunting. You might have brilliant ideas, lots of ambition, and remarkable skills, but how do you create actual revenue with these assets? Many aspiring entrepreneurs struggle right here, stuck at the point where their efforts fail to translate into real-world earnings. Successful businesses constantly use one powerful foundational strategy. By clearly understanding and applying this approach, you'll avoid common pitfalls and set yourself up for lasting success. Identify a clear, real problem. What makes a business successful is when they solve real, tangible problems that people actually have. But how do you find these problems? The simplest method is to look around your own daily life, your own community, or your own professional circle. Ask yourself, what frustrations or inconveniences arise repeatedly? What do people around me often complain about? What solutions do they wish existed? Spend a week actively listening to conversations within your community, your network, or online forums relevant to your interests or skills. Note down any recurring issues clearly and objectively. This simple activity will quickly highlight tangible opportunities for business solutions. This works because the best business ideas directly address ongoing problems. You're not guessing or assuming what people need. You're discovering it firsthand. Engage, experiment, and embrace failure. Once you've identified a genuine problem, the next step is engaging with it head-on. Attempt to solve it directly. This could mean developing a product, creating a service, or testing different approaches practically. The crucial point here is that failure is your friend. Each failed attempt gives you priceless information. You learn what doesn't work, why it doesn't work, and move closer to what will succeed. Document every step you take. Keep a detailed journal, a video diary, or digital notes where you clearly record each trial, error, or insight gained. Documenting failures is powerful because it makes future solutions evident and creates credibility. Clearly define what you're trying to solve. Write down every solution you test. Immediately record outcomes, positive or negative. Reflect briefly on why something had failed and what you can improve next time. This worked because it positions you as an authentic, experienced problem solver. Not just someone selling theory, but someone providing genuine solutions through lived experience. After navigating through experimentation and documentation, you now have valuable insights. Your goal now is to package these insights into an accessible, practical solution. This could take several forms: digital products, physical products, online courses, or personalized services. Imagine someone trying to save money to buy professional camera gear. They might struggle with budgeting, impulse buying, or generating an extra income. By documenting how they overcome these challenges, they can produce a practical guide or online course that teaches someone else how to budget their money or generate an extra income for their financial goals. Clearly outline your solution by answering these questions. What specific problem does my solution address? How exactly does my solution solve it? Why is my solution better or different from other existing alternatives? Your solution is based on proven experiences, which makes it more attractive for customers. People trust genuine solutions, especially those that clearly demonstrate real-world effectiveness. Now it's time to turn your solution into a source of income. Effective monetization starts with clear communication and genuine connection with your target audience. People buy from people they trust. Clearly illustrate your personal experience. Show potential customers you truly understand their problem because you have lived it yourself. Use authentic storytelling. Share your struggles openly and demonstrate how your solution improved your life or how it solved the issue. Offer genuine testimonials or reviews from early adapters to build trust and credibility. Building a business doesn't have to be complicated. The key foundation is straightforward. Identify real problems, embrace trial and error, document your journey, and sell practical solutions that genuinely benefit people. Following this process creates trust, credibility, and a sustainable revenue stream. Start experimenting and documenting your experiences clearly. But remember, every successful business started exactly where you are now, figuring it out step by step. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, comment, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.